Video title: How to customize your website's theme. A beginner's guide with built-in animations. 2.5 minutes. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's theme using custom CSS and built-in animations, allowing you to make your site truly unique. Whether you're new to website design or just looking to add some flair to your site, this guide will give you everything you need to get started. First, it's important to know that customizing your website's theme can be a great way to express your brand's identity or simply personalize your page. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your website's dashboard, as this is where most of your changes will take place. Let's begin by accessing your website's theme customization options. Typically, you can find this by logging into your website's admin panel, then selecting Appearance from the side menu, and finally clicking on Customize. This brings you to a preview screen where you'll see various options you can tweak. Remember, changes here are usually automatically saved or can be previewed in real time, so you can instantly see how your modifications affect your site. To use custom CSS, find the Additional CSS section within the Customization panel. This is a powerful tool that allows you to directly input your CSS code to change the look and feel of your website. Even if you're not an expert in CSS, there are plenty of resources online where you can find snippets of code to experiment with. For example, if you want to change the font of your website headers, you'd input specific CSS commands here. Experiment with different codes, but ensure you preview the changes to see how they affect your site. This hands-on approach can be an effective way to learn and understand CSS over time. Now, on to animations. Built-in animations are a fun and visually effective way to engage your website visitors. Many themes offer a range of animation options built right into their customization features. Look out for sections labeled something like Animation Settings or within a broader design section. Explore these features. Often you'll find options to animate buttons, images, and even entire sections. Adjust settings such as animation speed or style to suit your brand narrative or the mood of the page. Remember, while animations can enhance user experience, using them sparingly is key to maintaining a professional look. Once you're happy with your customizations, don't forget to save your changes. This is typically done by clicking a Publish or Save button, usually located at the top of your customization panel. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are applied live to your site, ready to impress your visitors.